Hello and welcome to in-depth or long, if you like, trailer analysis. Firstly, we're going to be starting off with the Mummy trailer, and I'm basically just going to speak through what I find interesting and verbally analyze the trailer as it plays. It's sort of gone into a plane scene, so we can tell that they're in motion. It's clear that they're traveling somewhere. It then cuts to a different sort of environment, and almost from the pace of this already, you can sort of tell that it's intended to almost, if you like, provide elements, but it's quite restrictive in terms of what is actually going on. And if you look at Tom Cruise's face there, he seems bewildered by what's going on. So it almost all adds to the tension to sort of entice and engage the viewer while not giving too much of the storyline away. Looking at this, you can sort of see a bit of action when the birds fly through the cockpit and the plane and the journey becomes to uh, starts to take a turn for the worse. As you can see, we can now see the plane sort of crashing now, and this is how you know it's the convention to the genre because you sort of see what the genre is about, and if you like the iconography of oh yeah, the fast plane, the plane crashing, this all contributes to how it shows that it's a certain genre of action and drama and thriller. We then cut to dead bodies in the morgue, so from that the viewer is able to tell that there has been casualties, but clearly Tom Cruise isn't one of those casualties because he's survived and he wakes up in a body bag, breaks free. You see the disaster it's caused, the disruption it's caused, and the mummy, what's actually supposed to be the focus of the actual film and trailer. It's also important to note that this incorporates a variety of different locations, meaning that it's a clear, big budget film because it shows London, America, then a desert somewhere. So it's clearly a big budget film and a blockbuster film because they're able to cast they're able to cast actors like Tom Cruise, who is a big Hollywood actor renowned for a lot of his work, and it's clear that he's not going to be cheap. So after watching that, I sort of feel that it's conventional to the genre because you can sort of see the iconography of where it's going. At first, you almost think, okay, well, this is does it really make sense? But as it progresses through the trailer, you it almost reveals more of itself without revealing too much. And the restrictiveness of that is effective for capturing attention, and the pace was used rather effectively, I feel, because they were able to sort of make things quick, but not too quick, so we could digest what was happening. And I think they did this very effectively.